So just kind of an accordion here. Hey, what's up guys? So this came today. We just dropped it off. This end was partially open, so we'll finish opening it together. What this is a thickened sunshade, sun visor, whatever you want to call it, and it's foldable. It's from Teslaunch. So if you watched my last video, you'll remember that I told you Teslaunch just recently rebranded from Teslaunch. So they are Teslaunch now. So we'll check this thing out. What we'll do is we'll put it in the Model Y, 2026 Model Y Premium. And we'll see how this thing fits. But I really like that this is going to be more of a precise fit, precision fit. I got the feeling than some of the more modernized, convenient options. You know, you always sacrifice one way or the other. This one is in the well under $100 class that you can get for windshield visor. And it's pretty simple, lightweight, and I think it's going to fit the contour very nicely. It's nice and thick. So let's check it out together. So I'll bring you guys in for a closer look. So you get this nice drawstring pack bag to keep it in here. So this is great, matches my interior, black interior. And then just an up close view of this. So your reflective side is going to go out to reflect the heat. And you can see, you know, it is pretty thick here. A lot thicker than some of like the umbrella visors and stuff. And then the back side, we just have this nice soft gray material. Got a little sticker on here. Get this off. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So we just unfold this dude and we can see the cutout for the rear view mirror camera portion. So let me back out in the nice cloudy weather here. We'll get a little bit of daylight and we'll unfold it and put it in the windshield. All right, I'll bring you guys with me. So I got my fold out piece here oriented this way. So I know it goes up here around the mirror. So we're just gonna get it silver side out. Like I said, it's like an accordion. So we can just unfold it. And then once we get it all the way unfolded, we can just line the center seam up. I'm just looking at the camera here, lining up the camera. And I'm just pushing down to where it goes in at the bottom of the windshield there. It fits pretty flush. So once we get it positioned where we want it, we can just put our visors up to help hold that. And there it is. All right, here we are getting in the car, the driver's side. Make sure we're down here. Zoom this thing back. And so there it is. Yeah, it's foldable, lightweight. So that's your view from the inside in here. All right, protect your dash and all that good stuff. Let's look at the outside. See what this thing looks like out here. So there's the silver reflective material. It's going to reflect the sun's rays. This is great for parking lots, or if you're, you know, parking at work like I do, 12 hours at a time. Things like this make all the difference in the world. So let me set you guys back up now that you know what it looks like. Kind of the blackout view there, and we'll want to take it out and unfold it. All right, so if we're going to take it out, we can just flip these up, and then we can just pull this straight down. And then I believe we can just fold it back up here, see how it goes. Fold that in, this in. Oh yeah, that's not too bad. Okay. Fold that up, and then we got it like this. And then once we get it folded, we can just put it in the back seat. And that's probably what I would do, because I would utilize this when I'm at work. You know, my parking lot at work, it's wide open. I mean, it's a good 1/8 of a mile walk into where I have to check in. So I'm in the Midwest, well, central part of the country, so Ohio region. So for me, it's like, you know, July and August primarily is when I use this pretty heavily. Same with the sunscreen or whatever you have in the top to help keep the heat out. It parks so long, that reflectivity, it just helps. And then when you do your cabin cool down, you know, before you leave work or whatever, it's more efficient. It can cool the car down more quickly. It's going to take a lot longer to build the heat up. So nice piece. Like I said, it's an affordable option. Very good if you're parked outside or parking lights like that, especially for a long period of time. The rest of the time I can just park in my garage. My days off, I can slide that in the bag and put it in the back, you know, and not even have to worry about it. All right, so here we are in the back, this little cargo compartment. There's the visor. So it fits nicely. Keep your cargo storage up here. You can only keep one or the other down here. So something's got to go, just whatever suits your lifestyle best. You can move one to the other or however you need to do it. Or you could upgrade and get you a retractable cargo cover. Sounds like a plan. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll leave a link up here. Go check it out. Get you on code Zuki for 10% off to the Teslaunch website. All right, well, I appreciate you hanging out with me. Until next time, as always, peace out.